Hi my friends, today I will share with you how I do my quotes board. Do you like quotes? So this quote board I do myself, for my home, for my friends, and for my Etsy shop. I would love to know which is your favorite quote. It helps you to build your confidence, life, and change your life. I would love to if you tell me. And this is what we do. Other tutorial about how I do this type of picture frame myself from white resin. This is white resin, it's a plastic, okay, and you do yourself. So today I want to share with you how I do my quote frame. I'm gonna put this one here as a quote frame, my favorite. Why do you stay in a prison when the door is so wide open? This is beautiful, the quote. Or I can use this one, is everything in the universe is within you, ask all from yourself. So this is, I printed in transparent paper, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place this here, I'm gonna cut it, and here, as you can see, I have beautiful flowers, dry flower. They're dry flower. You can see other my video where I share with you how to dry this type of flowers. So I'm gonna insert these flowers from two side, and also because it's just this color, I want a little bit give different color on the background. And I leave it until dry, but when I dry I will put pure resin until top. Yes, so here I have colorant, epoxy resin, highlight concentrate, vivid coloring, so that I can use on the background. All right, so let's start it.
mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied.
I'm gonna leave it as for
I should have
overnight,
noticed, yeah, I
and
should
I
have
will show you
tried.
when it's dry, and I'll put
And
it
all the loving